How to create collection on Facebook. Scrolling Facebook and want to save your favorite post in one place? Let's create a collection and organize your saved content like a pro. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Tap the three lines on the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap Saved. Now, tap Create New Collection. Give your collection a name like funny reels, recipe ideas, or info quotes. Tap Create and boom, your collection is ready. Now, when you save a post, just choose Add to Collection and pick your folder. Pro tip: you can even add friends as collaborators to your collection if you want to save and share together. Great for party planning or outfit inspo. And that's how you stay organized on Facebook with collections. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.